how to get an invoice from Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the U option from the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the support option, which looks like the headphones icon located right beside the settings option. You will be led to the Temu support page, so go ahead and tap on the Contact Us option and you will be led to the interface from where you can chat with Temu support team and fix your issue. So, tap on the text box you see there and type in, "I want to talk to a human," and send the message. You will then be asked to briefly mention what the issue is about. So, go ahead and enter your issue and you will then be asked to enter your item name or the order ID or the tracking number. So go ahead and enter any of the following, and with this, Temu will provide you an invoice accordingly. So this is how you can get an invoice from Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.